The psychology of project management. In the world of project management, a crucial element often overlooked is the psychology behind the processes and decisions involved in managing projects effectively. The importance of psychology in management projects. Psychology plays a significant role in how individuals work together within a team. By understanding the underlying psychological factors at play, project managers can better navigate team dynamics and foster a more productive work environment. Team dynamics and leadership. Team dynamics are influenced by individual personalities, communication styles, and levels of motivation. Effective leadership is key in guiding a project team towards success. Decision-making and project success. Psychological factors such as cognitive biases and emotions can impact decision-making in project management. Project teams and collaboration. Psychology can help project managers build successful project teams by considering factors such as team composition, roles, and responsibilities. By fostering collaboration and creating a sense of belonging within the team, project managers can enhance team performance and productivity. Managing project stress and stakeholders. Project management can be a stressful and demanding endeavor. By understanding the psychological effects of stress, project managers can implement strategies to reduce stress levels, improve team morale, and maintain project momentum. Conclusion. In conclusion, the psychology of project management is a critical component of successful project delivery. By understanding the psychological factors at play, project managers can better navigate team dynamics, make informed decisions, and ultimately, achieve project success.